Yo guys, this is Nice Matondo channel. I'm back guys with another one. Nice. We out here in the grounds doing the side picking guys. As you can see now, showing you. There's our poles there. There's our poles. 1 and 3. Show you proper. It's 1 and 3 guys. It's 1 and 3. Yeah, it's a lot windy today, so we have our client here. He's going to do the side picking. I don't think he's gonna stop guys. There's people but don't stop. They do it nicely without stopping. As you can see guys, yeah, he knows what he's doing, and yeah, he's good at this. So if you wanna find yourself doing this guys, come get yourself a license here at K53 Driving School. You can find it on the channels, you can find it on websites, Facebook, Google, Instagram. Check it out guys. TikTok, we there guys. It's K53 Driving School. Yeah, in order for you guys to get perfect lessons and good lessons, you should come guys. And this is Nice Matondo channel on YouTube guys, and on Facebook, Mr. Nice Matondo. Nice. Doing this guys. This is our side picking. As you can see guys, he doesn't stop. We're out here. Nice. Let's do this. Nice. As you can see guys, he doesn't stop. He totally doesn't stop guys. So yeah, you need to make sure that you know how to control your steering wheel, so that you know how to control your car. Good. This is excellent job guys. This is excellent. This is excellent. As you can see guys, he parked it so well, nicely. He didn't even pass those 2 poles at the back. This is how you stop guys, making sure that the car stops accurately on the box. This is our side picking guys. This is Nice Matondo. Let's do it one more time. Nice. Guys, I'd like for you to like, share and subscribe for more videos. Don't forget the notification button so that you get more videos guys. Please make it a point that you should share, so that more people could find these videos and more people could learn. Yeah, you know guys, we're doing this. Let's do this. Nice. This is Nice Matondo channel. This is our side picking. Yeah.